everyone, it's Jessica Nash, the creative director with Authors Ignite, and today we're going to dig deep into Instagram, specifically the stories talking about the filters and the different things you can do there. Now, as an author, if you're not using Instagram, you should really consider creating an account. Instagram is a great place to connect with your fans, promote your books, and attract new readers. And an Instagram story is a lot different than just posts or reels or anything like that because it's only available for 24 hours. So it kind of shows like the most current content you have. A colorful ring is going to appear around your profile picture, and followers only need to tap that to see your current Instagram stories. Now, there's no likes and no public comments. It's just content right to your followers. We're going to take a look at how to create a story and specifically how to apply all those fun filters and music and stickers and interactive elements that just make Instagram fun. So let's jump right into Instagram stories. All right, we are here in my actual Instagram account, and I want to show you how to use Instagram stories. So I'm going to click on the post up top. Oh, hi. And then stories down at the bottom. And now here we are inside Instagram stories. Remember, this only stays on your Instagram account for 24 hours. It's on your profile picture. You click it. It's just like kind of new flash in the know. So let's get started and see what we see on the screen here. So first things first, this big white button down at the bottom is how you actually take the picture or the video of whatever it is you want to record. You tap it once for a picture, you hold it to record a video. And you'll notice along the side here, we have some other little icons. Now, if we swipe over, these are the filters that go on your face. They're really cool. Some are cool, and some are just kind of crazy. And they will appear in your picture or in your video. What does this one do? This is wild. Ooh la la. And if you don't want these, all you have to do is tap this little X here and it's going to get rid of your filters. So that's how you start recording or taking your picture and your filters. Now along the side here, you have some kind of like options for recording, some live recording effects. So I'm just going to tap this arrow and show you what we have. I'll just show you a few of these. The top one being just kind of a real easy one. And this is for typing. You can just type any sentence you want, maybe shout out birthday to a friend. You can pull up old memories, even ask like a poll or question. It is interactive for your followers. So very cool. Very cool, very simple. That's just text right there. Now, as we go on down, you may be familiar with Boomerang. That's a very short video and it plays it forwards and backwards and kind of loops it. It's good for movement. This one was kind of neat. It's called Layout. And what it does, it gives you a grid and you take your picture. I'm going to pull up a prop here. Ready? And you can take multiple photos. All right, so that's pretty fun. I'm just going to X that one out. Another one that was really cute that I want to show you is called Super Zoom. It's really funny. So what you do is you pick which one. We're going to leave it on hearts, and I'm going to use my lovely assistant, Coconut. Hey, hey. All right, ready? We're going to flip that camera around. And back and it just kind of zooms in. All these different ones have like a different zoom. It's kind of funny. It's kind of fun. And that's super zoom, but just come in here and play with these when you don't want to use them. You just hit the X and it's gone and it's fine. Now, there are some filters and fun stickers you can apply to your pictures and videos after you take them, so you don't have to do all the recording live. So we're going to take a photo. I want to show you some of the fun stickers. I'm going to pose here with our book Refresh, pre-order today. Ready? Oh, lovely. Okay, now at the top, we're looking at our items here. We have a down arrow that would let me download this picture to my device if I wanted to. The next one is this happy face, and that's going to let me put on those filters onto my picture. There's several you can choose from, of course. And now if you don't want one of these, you just slide all the way back to the front and do the little Ghostbusters cross out. I'll hit done to come back. And next we have stickers. The little icon looks like a sticker, and these are really, really fun. Now some of them are just images or GIFs and they're really cute, but you can add your location. You can mention another person. If I put in here, see, it's going to call her and it'll let her know that she's been mentioned in my story. All right, you can do a hashtag. Let's do a hashtag refresh. Blam. And this one is really cool. I love it a lot. It's called a poll, and it makes your story interactive because your followers can answer. Let's see. All right, and I can just use my thumbs or your fingers to zoom in and out. They can check those answers, yes or no. Pretty fun. Now, one more thing I want to show you in the stickers, and we won't add these, but you have like a countdown you can add, a slider, you can put up questions, all these really, really cool stickers that just can make your picture, you know, fun and whatever. And if you have something on the screen that you don't want, just hold it to move it around and a trash can will appear. You can drag it down there, let it go, and it's going to disappear. Okay? Now, when your two last things, we can draw on our picture with this here. Don't forget undo is over there, the little pen tool, or you can just type on it with the A. You can change the size and the color. Even you can even animate it. Let's put Hecklo. You can even animate it, so when it comes in, it's going to animate as it goes. Now, when you're done and you're ready to send, you'll tap send to at the bottom, and that's going to let you share it to your story, to your close friends, to a single person. Just hit share or send, and that's going to handle it for you. Well, thanks for watching. Remember, follow us on Instagram. We're at Authors Ignite.